There is a saying that we got our present human body or human life only after our soul is passed through 8.4 million species. In Bhagavad-Gita, Lord Sri Krishna himself told to Arjuna that soul passes 8.4 million bodies and at last it will get a human life. There are also many other granthas based on Bhagavad-Gita states that we will get a human body or human life only after the soul passes through 8.4 million different species, and also states that human life is the last one that soul will get. Namaste everyone, welcome to another video from Brahmaj. Today we are going to learn, does our soul really passes through 8.4 million species to get into a human body? Before that, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Okay, let's begin. The Bhagavad-Gita teaches us that as the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from childhood to youth, from youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at the time of death. You are a soul covered by a material body. The body is changing from youth to old, but you, the soul, is remaining the same. Due to the influence of the energy from the soul, we identify the self with the body. In this material body, we suffer the pangs of birth, old age, disease, and death. We have to reincarnate from body to body, life after life. At death, we will take into another body in the animal kingdom or again in the human species. What is our next body will be? Well, that depends on our karmic actions, good or bad actions taken in this life. So, what is the proof? Though I can't really provide anyone with a proof that my soul or your soul passed through all those 8.4 million life forms. But with the advancement in science and technology, it is revealed that there are nearly 8.7 million species on Earth. So my question is, how did Lord Krishna knew that at his time there are 8.4 million species? However, after years of research, scientists finally revealed most accurate estimate till time as of now is 8.7 million. Now that there is a difference of 0.3 million between what it says from the ancient Indian text and what scientists discovered, still it's 97% near to what exists in reality. The world knows that many of the foreign countries are researching on our ancient Indian literature, granthas, Upanishads and other Sanskrit texts. The best example is recently MIT researchers scientifically proved that yoga and meditation are best for gaining the mental peace, good for health, and they are conducting yoga classes in MIT, which we know from centuries, but we won't practice. We Indians have a great culture, great values, and a great history. Don't let it down just because we don't know the real scientific reasons, and those we are not able to prove it by now. If not now, if not us, maybe the next generation will prove it. Thank you all. That's all I have for today. I'll come back with a new video tomorrow. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.